Hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Fakiram and I'm an Oracle certified professional. I have been working in Oracle from last 10 years. I have participated in more than 25 EBS implementations and more than 5 Fusion projects. I have given training to around 100 Oracle students and have functional knowledge of multiple modules like financial, supply chain, HR, payroll, self-services, approval management engine, and projects. On technical side, I have experience on workflow builder, form builder, discoverer, OF, BI publisher, and report builder. Also, I have worked on custom solutions. I worked in Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. In these trainings presented to you by the collaboration of ICM TV and ICM Software House, we will give you the trainings on different functional and technical topics related to Oracle. So if you want to be an Oracle expert, subscribe to our channel. This is lecture 1 of Oracle Report Builder and BI Publisher training. First, I will give you an idea of what is included in this training, and then we will continue with lecture 1, which is Introduction to Report Builder, its downloading and installation. So let's get back to the agenda of this whole training. First, I will explain you what are the different tools which are used. Introduction to Report Builder, its main features, installation, report styles, supported file types, modules, report data layout, builder components, main menu structure, editor, object navigator, report level objects, data model objects, paper parameters, in objects relationships, create, and I will explain you how you can create a report using a wizard. Once we are completed with report builder, then I will explain you BI publisher, its installation, how we can create reports using BI publisher, its templates, and its registration to the EBS application. Now I will explain you what are the different tools which are used in this training. First tool is report builder. Second is FileZilla, transfer the report RDF file to the remote server, and then BI Publisher to create templates. First, I will give you the introduction to the report builder. It is a high fidelity enterprise reporting tool, enables businesses to give immediate access to information to all levels within and outside of the organization in a scalable and secure environment. Using Oracle reports, you can publish information from any data source in any format like PDF, HTML, to any destination in a scalable, efficient manner. The main features of Oracle are explained now. You can access data from any data source. You obtain report data in a graphical representation by a query builder. You can graphically represent report data with the help of an integrated chart builder. You can use default report templates, or you can customize it if needed. You can execute dynamic SQL statements within PL/SQL. You can also show report data in various formats such as HTML, HTML, CSS, XML, PDF, PCL, PostScripts, and the majority of report requirements fall into the following categories. First is tabular, which is one group. Second one is master detail report. Third is master and multiple detail group. And the last one is matrix. So I will now explain you these different kind of report templates. First one is tabular. In tabular reports, we have the data in a table manners like this. In master detail, we have a header, and then we have detail in another which is linked with the some ID to the detail information. Master with two details would be like this, that the header is joined with two different detail tables. Matrix is a text report is basically when two tables are joined with one head table, and we need to identify the detail information based on the two different tables on horizontal and vertical axis. The supported file types for report builder are RDF, REP, JSP, HTML, and XML. Now I will explain you the report builder modules. First is report, then template, and PL/SQL library. We can also build report and put different layouts like paper layout and web layout. In web layout, the report will be opened in the browser, while in paper layout, it would be just like you can print it using PDF, different and other formats. Now I have given you a brief introduction to the report builder tools. Now I will explain you how we can download and install this. Download the report builder, go to this link and click here. Log into Oracle with your account. Here you can choose the platform for which you want to download the Oracle Report Builder. and click down. Accept the license agreement and click download. Once the download is started, now it will take some time to complete the download. Once the download is completed, I will show you the interface of Oracle Report Builder and its main component.